The fate of lunch is in your hands. Hi, I'm Jamie, and this is Opaa's Food Fight, the show where we put school lunch to the test. But today, it's time to put your school lunch to the test. By the end of this video, you will be able to give constructive feedback on your school lunch. Unlike the Gordon Ramsays and Simon Cowells of the world, who just make people cry. Let's explore the meal rating system on Nutrislice. The first thing you're going to do is download the Nutrislice app onto your phone. It's available for free on the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you don't have a phone, you can use your computer by going to lookup.nutrislice.com. Open the app and search for your school district. Then select the school building you are in. Press on the meal, breakfast or lunch. Find the day you are eating. Then select the food you're going to rate. A picture of the food you are rating will pop up. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page. You will find a "How would you rate this?" title. Below are 5 stars you can use to rate. A 1 food rating indicates that they missed the mark and the item just isn't your cup of tea. A 3 food rating is kind of like cold pizza. It's good, I would eat it, but it's not the same as fresh right out of the oven pizza. A 5 food rating indicates that this item was better than bacon and it made your day. After you rate your food, click on comments and type in any suggestions or thoughts about the food. The comment section is the gateway to having your voice heard and to make positive changes in your school cafeteria. Comments such as,
"Ew. Ugh.
Disgusting. Gross. Ew. Gross."
give kitchen staff very little info to work with. Constructive criticism,
Pepperoni pizza? Not for pizza. Can we have sausage instead?
What happened to the condiments? Let's turn it up a notch. Can we add some dressing to this sandwich, por favor?
allow problems to be identified and then fixed. Entering your name and email address is optional before submitting. Once you're done, select the blue Send My Feedback button. There will be a message thanking you for the feedback, and that is how you know your rating was submitted. Feel free to use the ratings on Nutrislice as often as you'd like. Your thoughts and suggestions matter to the kitchen staff. And there it is, giving constructive food reviews on the Nutrislice app. I'm Jamie, and this is Opaa's Food Fight.